Man, I'm dreading to declutter. I just procrastinate. I don't want to declutter anymore. Do I really have to? Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm Dee here at Dee Lovely Life. And it's Thursday, and you know what Thursdays are for the month of January. It is Thursdays Decluttering with Dee. That's me. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm so glad that you clicked play. Okay, so in the month of January, I decided to go ahead and do some decluttering because let's face it, I am nowhere near to be done in decluttering. And although some of you have been following me for quite some time and some of you have not, I'm a full-time caregiver to my mom, a homemaker, and I'm not gonna lie, this morning, earlier today, it's about noonish already. It was a bad day. It was a bad day, but that's okay. You know, I mean, caregiving is not like smiles and sunshines and rainbows every day. And honestly, I didn't know if I had the energy to actually do some decluttering, but now things have settled down. Queen G is good, I'm good. We just got done having lunch together. She's watching now Rachel Ray. So I thought, why not try to keep up with my promise of decluttering every Thursday in January. Which got me really thinking that there are some of you who click on my decluttering videos to help motivate, inspire you to declutter. Yes, you. I'm talking to you. Because let's face it, a lot of times I'm like, oh man, I'm dreading to declutter. I just procrastinate. I don't want to declutter anymore. Do I really have to? I'm like that kid kicking and screaming. Yeah. But I went upstairs in our attic and I was putting things away, and just let me show you. This is Dee Lovely Life going up in her attic. Okay. I'm gonna try to insert a before and then after. Once you take a look at the before and after, you're gonna be like me. Watch.
Okay, so I don't really have like a storage area. All I have really is an attic. And a lot of my Christmas stuff is here. A lot of stuff that, you know, we store. So I'm only gonna take 15 minutes starting now. And let's see what I can actually get rid of here. Okay, I've been climbing all over this area.
Our attic now. Look, way over there. Let me see if we can zoom. Look at all that space, except for my little, one of my totes handles broke off. But look at all of that real estate, you guys. I'm like super excited. I have some Christmas stuff there. I decluttered. I'm going to share with you guys what else I decided to get rid of. I still have like my fall right here, and then some of my Easter stuff. This is some of the stuff that we brought back from our Vegas home. Got me. Isn't that pretty? We were at a craft store. He not only got just one for me, he got a second one from my mom. Isn't that cute? He didn't want to leave her out. He went back to the booth where this lady was selling these, and he made sure that he got two. I gotta take those down with me, but these can go over there. I put all the fans back here because it's winter time, and I just organized everything so everything fits there. And then I went through, remember we decluttered Halloween up here, so I have all of this. I brought up the ice chest on the wheels up there, and then just recently I placed Kitty's crate here, and I still have to get rid of that box. I have to go through that, but I'm not going to do that today. But with the progress that I had made just by putting Christmas away, it got me motivated. It's like, yay, Dee! I feel like For the first time up here in the attic, I feel like I'm making a difference. I feel really good about that. So let's let the decluttering continue, shall we? Okay, enough playing. Alright, so this is the bag that I had from the previous declutter, the last decluttering video that I did. And because I wanted to add more because there's so much room in here. Now, these are the ones that I decided to get rid of, and I was trying to sell these online. Look at that, just reverse. This is like a table liner, and then on the back is fall. Not even for $5 on Marketplace or Craigslist. So, hey man, I tried selling this. This time, it's just gonna go into the donations. That's like one thing. It's like when you want to declutter and you're like, oh, let me just hold on to that, see if I can sell it. Sometimes it can work against you, you know what I mean? But hey, at least I tried. Here are some like little angels, that little figurines. It says Noel on there, and this is like the reindeer, Santa Claus. That can go. And these, I've seen these up in our attic for over 20 years. I've never placed them on the tree. And look, they're still in the box, still wrapped. So I'm going to let someone else enjoy that. This is a Santa Claus, like a stocking holder. Ooh, it's heavy. I'm just not into that style. So I'm going to go ahead and give him up. Another, look at this, another ornament. And look at this, it's, it's Ariel toy. I don't know. I should probably see if I can go online and see how much this would be. Again, it's brand new. I haven't opened it, never put it on my tree. So I'm going to add those to the bag. So I'm feeling pretty good about letting that stuff go. But I also was in my back family room here, and I was cold, and so I went ahead and I got up into our front room, and I got this big old bulky blanket that we recently just was gifted. And I'm thinking, what about the blankets that we have in the ottoman that I never use anymore? So here it is. These are the blankets. This one has a hole in it, but I mean, it's still a good blanket. It's just that maybe someone else. Oh, there's my supervisor, Kitty. That's my mom's cat, Kitty. She's in numerous decluttering videos. I call her AKA my supervisor. She's in my 30 bags in 30 days, my minimalism game, the 30-day decluttering challenge. What are the ones, Kitty? Anyways, she's in all those videos. Jay likes to use this heating blanket every now and then. This is actually an old Snuggie that Jay has. This is a blanket I just bought like maybe, I don't know, maybe 2 years ago for, check this out, for Vlogtober. But it's super thin. And we have so many blankets. Well, I mean, I shouldn't say that. My mom has a lot of blankets, and I think I'm going to go ahead and donate this one, and I'm going to donate this one. So these two can actually go in the bag. But it's like certain little things like this that I think about, which I just thought about, was like, I'm sitting here, and I went and grabbed, look, that blanket. As that blanket is super warm. But knowing that there were blankets and everything in here, but why am I holding on to these blankets then, since we don't even use them? We just don't, except for that one. Jay really likes using the heating blanket from time to time, and that's his Snuggie, so I'm going to have to ask him what he wants to do with his, because I already donated mine. So I'm going to go ahead and take these two blankets and then add it to that bag.
Oh, by the way, I wanted to give a quick shout out to my friend Sunday Dawn. She's doing a Swedish death cleaning series on her channel at The Helpful Home on Thursdays. And check out Paige's decluttering video on her channel. And if you're filming decluttering videos, let me know in the comments down below.
And then this one, I was going to donate it, and look, it broke. It fell off, so I'm just going ahead and
trash that. Even if someone glues it, I don't know, but it has a chip there. Nah, I know someone's saying, just donate it because someone can use the frame. Yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna leave that there though and figure out what I want to do with that. But okay, my little pile is growing. And then let's talk about this, Dee. It is time. I'm not gonna show you my unmentionables, but you know, I have all my underwear here, my socks and sweats and all that other good stuff down here, and it's just time for me to go through it. And when I went through it, I'm like, these are really thick, warm looking socks, right? And they're really hard to put on my mom. Someone gifted this to my mom, and they're really nice looking purple, pretty socks, really thick, because she always complains her feet get cold. But when I try to put these on her, it is so hard for her feet to fit through. And so because they were so nice and it didn't work for her, I decided, why not try, see if maybe perhaps I can wear them. And you know what? They made my feet sweat. And I just didn't like them. But they've been in my drawer for 2 years. Why? Why do we do that? I don't know. So that has to go. These ones, to be honest, the only reason why I don't wear these is because it reminds me of the Wizard of Oz. I don't know why, you know, the witch. I don't know. It's just kind of weird. I know it's weird, but yeah, that can be gone too. Look at all these black socks. I used to wear a lot of black socks because at work, I always had to wear black pants or black boots or black booty kind of heels, or, you know what I mean? Well, guess what? I haven't been to work in years. Let it go. So all of these are gonna go, and I had all of these dryer sheets in my sock drawer. How funny. So I'm gonna let go of all of this pile of socks. And ladies, what about those hooks on your bra? I mean, look at that. Don't you hate that when that happens? Do you see that? The hook there? Yeah. So frustrating. And that's been in my drawer for months. And whenever I grab it, I'm like, oh, I put it on and then I had to take it off because this thing pokes me. And I'm not going to go out and about with only one hook. Are you kidding me? What happens if that hook busts out, right? And then this one. See that hook right there? Yeah, same thing. But that's not all to it either. I don't like underwire, and in here it's like bent or something like that. So yeah, so that expensive bra, gone. Whew, see, it all adds up. And I think the moral of the story is even if you find, you know, just something to give you a little bit of a push of motivation, be it watching this video here, take a look back of where you were before and then go to that area and then look at that cabinet that you already decluttered and it made a tremendous difference for you. Open that drawer that you just recently done. Find that motivation. I am no different. I have good days, I have bad days. Today was a bad day, but I knew that I still need to continue on decluttering. Even if it's small things from here and there, whatever, declutter is a declutter. It's a win in my book. Hey guys, thanks so much for watching. Make sure to click that subscribe button if you have not done so already. I hope this somehow motivates you to get out and to keep decluttering. We got this. Bye. Oh yeah.